Have you heard of the 5-minute pre-clean rule? It's the secret to a clean house. I learned this way too late, but if you're still digging for shit in a plastic box every morning and wondering why your house still smells, stop scrolling and watch what happens if your cat poops or pees in a new PetPivot AutoScooper 11. 70 seconds after your cat leaves, the pre-cleaning cycle is going to start. This is going to bury the poop, bury the pee, so it doesn't smear here on the side, drying everything out and killing the smell before it even hits your living room. It's an open-top design, so your cat doesn't feel trapped like they do in those expensive litter boxes. It features a dual-layer sensors that freezes the machine instantly if your cat jumps in, so it's just gonna scoop up all your cat's dirty litter and put it completely into this trash bin right here, which is 2.6 gallons, and you can see it's always wide open at all times. That's why it's safe. I only change the bag once every twice a month, and thanks to this hidden drawstring, you seal it sharp before taking it out. It also comes with a litter mat and 10 months of bags. They are running a great deal right now and have sold over 130,000 units. If you want to get one, I'll put a link down here at the bottom so you can.